My name is Bill. I'm here today to show you the OGRE, the oxidant gas recirculation equipment. In this yellow case is a self-contained OGRE unit. This unit will disinfect up to 1 million liters of drinking water per day. In our last video, I showed you the contents of the case and how to unpack it and lay it out. Today, I'm going to show you how to put it together. We're going to start with the power supply, and before we connect it, make sure that it is not connected to the wall at the time you're connecting cables to it for safety. The cables attach black to the black terminal and red to the red terminal. These can simply be hand tightened. These cables power the OGRE unit. Once connected properly to the power supply, you can connect them to the OGRE itself through the top terminals. As you see, if you try to connect the black terminal to what should be the red connector, it will not attach. You can only put the black cable on the black terminal and the red cable on the red terminal. You see, this cable is larger to make sure there's perfect clarity in how these get connected. You can hand tighten this. You're simply trying to make electrical contact. Do not over tighten. If you have to use a common pliers in order to snug it down, you can do that, but please do not over tighten. There's an insulator inside that you risk damaging. Once connected to the power supply, we then have to connect to the ejector. This is the device, the incoming water. It is treated with the gas and is disinfected on the exit. So in order to connect this to the OGRE unit, we have to use a hose and clamp setup. Once again, a simple screwdriver. You do not need to over tighten this. These are pretty snug connections. You just want to prevent the gas from escaping. The other end of this hose connects to the OGRE unit itself. That connection is made here. Once again, you do not need to over tighten the clamps. Just make sure that the hose stays on the OGRE unit. The ejector, which is connected to the supply here and to the exit here, it is quite possible that you will have an opportunity for backflow into the system. We do not desire that, and so we've got a backflow preventer valve that you can attach, which will prevent any water flow from this direction back into the OGRE or back into your supply. In my next video, I'll show you how to prepare the membrane that goes inside the OGRE unit and how to set it up and start it up for operation. Thank you for your attention.